Unraveling the meaning of lost to us. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, lost to us. This expression can be a bit enigmatic, so we're going to unpack it together. Stay tuned to discover its nuances and how you can use it in everyday English. When we say something is lost to us, we're speaking about loss in a very particular sense. Imagine you had a treasured object, but now it's gone and you can't find it. That object is literally lost. This phrase, however, often steps beyond the literal, delving into the metaphorical. More commonly, lost to us is used figuratively to express a different kind of loss. It's not just about misplacing items, but about losing things that are not tangible, like opportunities, moments, or even people who are no longer part of our lives. These are intangible losses, and the phrase conveys the sense of permanent absence. Let's put lost to us into context with some examples. Emotional loss. After my grandfather passed away, his stories of the old days were lost to us. Cultural loss. The ancient traditions of the city are now lost to us due to modernization. Opportunity loss. When I declined the job offer in Paris, that unique experience was lost to us. These examples show the phrase applied to different scenarios, helping to grasp its versatile nature. To use lost to us correctly, consider the following sentences. The secrets of the Mayan civilization are largely lost to us. Since the diary was destroyed, her innermost thoughts are lost to us forever. Notice how the phrase evokes a sense of something irretrievable. That's the key to using it effectively. And there you have it, the phrase, lost to us, demystified. We've explored its literal and figurative meanings and seen it in action through various examples. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English repertoire. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.